Let us round off the following numbers to the nearest tenth. Solution. Now recall that when you are dealing with a number, let's say we have a number 3456.2345 and so on. We know that this is our unit, our 10, our 100, and the 1000. But beyond the decimal point, we have what we call the tenth. Then we have the 100th. Then we have the 1000th. Then we have the 10,000, and so on. So in this case, to round off to the nearest tenth, we have to identify the digit that is in that rounding place, which is the tenth. And that's the digit after the decimal point. So let's solve. A. We have 34.625. And the digit in our rounding place is 6. Recall I said the digit after the decimal point. So that is, we keep every digit up until this point, and every other digit that follow will be rounded up or down. So this gives us approximately. Now we keep the other digits, so we have 3, 4 point. Now we check, before we write 6, we have to check the next digit after it. Remember that if it is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we round down. But when it is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, we round up. In this case, it is a 2, which means we round down. And when you round down, it means you do not add anything to the digit in the rounding place. So we keep it as 6 as it is. Every other thing becomes 0, but it is not required because it is after the decimal point. So this is 34.6 to the nearest tenth. Now to solve B, we have 1200.384. This would give us, now the digit in our rounding place is the digit after the decimal point, which is 3. And next to it, we have 8. So it means we'll keep every other digit. And since the next digit is 8, that means that we will round up. That is, we'll increase the rounding place by 1. That is, add 1 to 3. And every other thing is 0. So what we have is 1, 2, 0, 0 point. Now instead of 3, I round it up and add 1 to that, so we get 4. Now every other digit becomes 0, and because it is after the decimal point, we are not required to write it out. So this is to the nearest tenth. And then the third and final in this question is 2000.02. Now try to identify the digits in the rounding place and then look at the digit next to it to tell whether you have to round up or round down. Now the digit in the rounding place is 0 and the next digit to it is 2, which means we would round down. Therefore 2000.02 would then become 2000 point. Now when we round down, means we do not add anything to it. So we write 0. Now it is 0, but I still write it because we are required to write up until the rounding place value. So this is also to the nearest tenth. On the final note, please take note. In this case, you see I've written the 0 even though it is after the decimal point. This is because the rounding place that we are asked to round off to is this digit, and this is the rounding place, the tenth. But in every other case, you see I've kept the digits in that place value where we have 6 and 4. But after the decimal point, any other digit that is in 0, you are not required to write them down. Thank you.